We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, GBP. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to right hand side is a bearish red candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint. Also adding second level highs, and adding third level highs. So let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So as I said before, price action monthly time frame is a bearish red candle. It's a bearish red press up to the top, doji, indecisive. So if price decides to work its way up, it can head up to that midpoint between the SR lines, which would be near the numbers of 0.87532. If price works its way up further, it can tag the numbers nearing 0.88950 before making it to the highest resistance of that area of 0.90521. If price decides to draw back, price action is currently looks like it's on a level now. So it's near that level with the top of the price action body near the numbers of 0.86181. And if it drops down further, it headed to the next support line of 0.84891. So let's take a look at what's going on. So if this market decides to push up further, it's identifying multiple things in the market. So we do know that price action is right above second level highs. So the market did identify at that midpoint line a double bottom. So we do have that first, second, third, fourth, retest one. So market did bounce off another level here, went up to the following level, tagged that area multiple times, and we're going to see if that market's going to identify a pattern, which will identify the overall break, retest, and see if that market's going to push up further, or is it coming from the pattern right below price, which would be identified as, looks like a double left shoulder, a head, right shoulder, market pushed up, retesting the previous side. We're going to see if that market's going to push up again, and also look like another pattern of that coming down in red, first, second, third, fourth, double bottom, retest, market pushed up once, retesting the previous side. If it's respected, we'll see market push up. If not, we'll see that market start breaking as it currently doing. So we're going to see if that market's going to push down further. So we're going to, as we walk down, we have to see what's going on in that area next to price action, being that bearish red push down to the top, from the top. If price decides to push down further, because it's tagging multiple areas to that top, which will be that resistance. So we have overall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 spike ups to that high of that resistance. If the market doesn't break, we know it's doing what? Coming right back down out that area of that channel. Huge consolidation. Headed down to the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, price action identifying as a bearish red candle. Strong. We can see that it is breaking the level. So you're going to see if we can identify that retest for that market to break down further. Unless the market is supporting this area here, we'll see that market create that W formation for that first, second, third, get the engulfment towards price. Market's working its way up to the midpoint before making it up to that high of that area. If that market decides to come down, it's coming down from multiple pushes to that top. So we have a single top at the top and we have a double retest. And we're going to see if that market's going to break. So within that area, that's the break and retest. So market's drawing out that first, second, break retest. So identifying that first, second, third. And we're going to see that double top in that area. See if it's going to break down to the next level. Headed down to the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame, bearish red candle. Side by side with the previous side, so we got to wait till that market's going to see what it's going to do. Also, it is on SR line a little bit below, so we're going to put that market in the zone as we walk down the time frame to see what that market is doing. Is it breaking down to the next level, or is it working its way up? So if so, we can see multiple pushes: first, second, third, fourth. Retest. See that market pushed up from that double bottom in a retest, unless that market is identifying. Earlier time frame is identified as a single top and a double retest. This is identifying as a single top and a triple retest. 1, 2, 3. The market's coming down, matched up with the previous side. Currently, consolidation. Walking down to a 4-hour time frame. So on a 4-hour time frame, right, price just broke the SR line. So we do have the break of that SR line. We're going to see if that market broke twice. So it's going to either be respected at the area of support, so identified as the first, second, third, and we'll see that market come back up. Price action is a small bullish green candle, so it still has to grow in size to grow up to that upside. So it could be identifying a retest, or it could be identifying the reversal in the market, but price action has to eventually engulf that second last candle to push that market up for that W formation, which we close out for that W, breaking the SR line, coming back to retest to see if that market is going to push up for that head and shoulders pattern or double bottom in a retest. So price, second, third, all within each other. Some is body, some is wick. Walking down. Also, we're going to put this market into a zone. So we're going to go a little bit above and a little bit below, so we can see what's going on in that market as we walk down the time frame. Also going to sharpen that midpoint line up. So now we can see it much clearer. Market broke, came back to retest, market push. So now we're looking for the breakout of the zone. Let's receive that consolidation or the reversal for that market to come back up. Headed down to 3. Same as well. So break it down the chart. We have price action. We have the midpoint. We have the low. We have second level lows. What the market did, it broke, tagged that second level lows, pushed back up for the retest at the midpoint, broke all the way back down to the bottom of that zone, and now it's tagging again that second level of lower lows in that area to see if it's going to push down further. Now, if not, we'll get that consolidation or that break, or this could just be identified as a break and retest for that pattern drawing out that first, second. Price action is a doji, which is a retest on that zone line to see if it's going to push up for that double bottom. If it follows up with a bullish green candle, 2-hour time frame, same as well, starting to see that structure. Stopped at the second level lows in that area, so if it's not breaking through, it's coming down from that break and retest twice. Headed down to the 1-hour time frame, same as well. So you can see market tag that second level highs in that area. Is it going to draw out that formation of that W, or is it just identifying the break, the retest, the push, the retest, the push? Headed down to the 45. Price second, side by side, still consolidating. Price action still have to grow to push up further, or just reverse as a bearish red candle, work its way down. Same as a 30. Same as a 15. Third to last candle is a retest. We have a double bottom and we have a retest, and we're going to see if that market's pushing, breaking out that zone. So it should be followed with another retest for another push. Headed down to the 5. Starting to see the break of the SR line. Price action getting small, could be coming back for the retest to the SR line. Same as well. Break is at the retest. Price action still active. Moving with the 3-minute time frame, and on the 1-minute time frame, we can clearly see it trying to come back down. So if it breaks the midpoint, it can head back down to that support. Okay, guys, very important information. Please study and review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy, EUR, GBP.